Good morning. We are here to open up our day 4 of our Laughing Cat Fibers Advent Luminous Sea. We've got such cute bags. I've been loving seeing these all lined up here. So let's get into day 4. So as many of you have seen, has the cute Maui Catmas sticker, and you can see the picture that was the inspiration. It's like a very nice glowing fish. Let's take a look. Ooh, very nice bright green and some pink. Oh, and some purples. Ooh, this is really fun. And each one of these has a little goodie. Oh, very cute little stitch marker. Looks almost like a little raindrop with sparkles and little jewels for the eyes and the cheeks, and on a nice little clasp that could be used for both knitting or crochet, which as a crocheter I really like. Let's take it out of the bag. Oh, very cute. Don't know if you can see the sparkle on the camera as much, but it's very cute. I've been loving how these go with each day's colorway. Very nice. Now let's see if we can look at this under black light. Grab my flashlight here. Let's see. Oh yeah, so the green is nice and vibrant. We've got some pinks as well. Oh, it almost looks orange on the end there. Kind of like an orange peachy color. Oh, I really like that. It's fun. So that is day 4. Very nice color.